we're diving into the world of interior painting, where a fresh coat of paint can truly transform a space. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, we've got some invaluable tips to ensure your painting project goes smoothly and leaves your home looking stunning. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk about preparation. Proper preparation is key to achieving a professional-looking finish. Start by clearing the room of furniture and covering the floors and any remaining fixtures with drop cloths to protect them from paint splatters. Next, take the time to properly prepare the walls. This means filling any holes or cracks with spackle and sanding them smooth for a seamless finish. Don't forget to clean the walls thoroughly to remove any dust or grease that could affect the paint adhesion. Now, let's talk about choosing the right paint. When selecting your paint, consider factors like sheen, durability, and of course, color. Remember, lighter colors can make a room feel more spacious, while darker colors can add warmth and coziness. Once you've chosen your paint, make sure to stir it thoroughly before use to ensure even consistency. And if you're using multiple cans, it's a good idea to mix them together to avoid any slight variations in color. Now, onto the fun part: painting. When applying the paint, use a high-quality roller for larger areas and a brush for cutting in around edges and corners. Remember to work in small sections and use long, even strokes for a smooth finish. Finally, don't rush the drying process. Allow each coat of paint to dry completely before applying the next one, and be patient, good things take time. And there you have it, our top tips for interior painting success. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips.